Yeah, you'll get your razor blade. I need to make sure that you're actually dropping it though. There we go, right. So you drop yours over there. There. Yeah, and I can see through and see your weapon, so you
Come back, friend.
don't know. Because by the time I get that, by the time I break the no, by the time I break the wall, you would have picked up your weapons. Because my pickaxe only does 40 HP. Right, so you actually gonna? All right then. Right, so your razor blade and all of the weapons for the 106 siege breaker. Alright, drop yours and I'll drop mine. Can you? Alright then. So, the razor blade and everything for the thingy.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll drop first. I don't know, I thought you could break it. I'm just making a couple of them. Hi. Right, so that. 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 And that. No. Right, you just tried to scam me. Wow. That is really fun. That is so pathetic. Do you want to do an actual trade or not? Do you want to do a trade or not? Do you want to do a trade or not? Well, you're not going to get it until we actually trade, because you just tried to scam me yet again. Yeah, by trying to scam me. So it's either, yeah, you saw the weapons, so you tried to glitch through, grabbing all the weapons for free. So how about you go into that corner, and then I will drop the razor blade, you will drop your 106 siege breaker, and then we will trade. Alright then. I'll give you all of the weapons if you say you did. Blur. 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 I'll give you all of the weapons if you say.
Fred, do you want this sauce of that?
Yes please. If you say sorry for scamming. Yeah, I will give you it if you say sorry for scamming. Yeah, and then you tried glitching through the wall. All you have to do is say that, and I'll give you your weapon. Pardon? Your mic glitched. No, sorry. Can you say it again? Your thingy, like, glitched. Yep, here you go. Alright, it's just... So it was a razor blade, and I'll just give you the pistol, because I don't want it, yeah? Do you want the pistol as well, because I really don't want it? That's why you don't scam. Yeah, that's why you really just don't scam. Bye. There we go, guys, and we just caught a scammer. So, and by the way, for that video, but before he tried to scam me, so I grabbed his weapons. See ya.